Group versus team. Primary group, small, long-term, emotionally close family, close friends. Secondary group, large, more task-oriented, less emotional intimacy, committee, study groups. Group versus team. Group are collection of individual sharing information or interests. Team are global focused coordinated group that share responsibility and accountability for outcome. Group communication competences, cohesive, the emotional bonds among members. The group glow as a concept, common goals, shared purpose that guide group action, interaction, ongoing communication that maintain group connection, interdependence. Each member actions affect the group's outcome. Synergy, the group outcome is greater than the sum of individual effort. Shared norms, agreed upon expectation guiding behavior. Decision making in small groups. Consensus, all members agree on the decision. Majority rules, more than half vote for a decision. Minority rule, a small number make the decision for the group. Authority rule, leader or outside authority make the final call. Stages of a small group development: forming, member meet, define purpose, build trust. Storming, conflict emerge as a member express differences. Norming, group establish rules, norms and cohesion. Performing, productive collaboration, problem solving. Adjoining, task completed, group disband. Setting for small group communication, activity groups focused on shared activity. Learning group designed to acquire knowledge. Personal growth group focus on self-development, therapy support. Problem solving team solves specific issues, task forces. Temporary team formed for a short-term project. Virtual group communicate through digital platform. Rules of people in small groups. 4 rule categories. Task rule help achieve the group objectives. Information giver. Maintenance rule support relationship and the group climate. Self-centered rule focus on personal goal, can hinder progress. Leadership rule guide or coordinate the group process. 16 common group rules. Aggressor, criticize other idea destructively. Blocker, resist progress, bring up old issues. Clown, distract group with hammer. Compromiser, mediate disagreement. Devil, devocate, challenge idea to test their strengths. Encourage, provide positive reinforcement. Energizer, motivate action. Facilitator, guide process and ensure participation. Follower, support group decision without tasking a lead rule. Gatekeeper, manage participation and information flow. Information gatherer, bring relevant data to the group. Recorder, keep notes on discussion and the decision. Self-confessor, share personal problem unrelated to the task. Tension releaser, use hammer to reduce stress. Leadership styles: authoritarian, leader make decision, direct group strictly. Democratic, leader encourage participation and share decisions. Laissez-faire, leader task hands-off approach. Theories of communication in group: diamond of participator, decision making. Group diverge, explore idea before converging or reaching a decision. Functional theory: group must fulfill certain function, analyzing problem, evaluating solution to succeed. Group think: when pressure to agree lead to poor decision and suppressed dissent. Procedural model of problem solving: MOPS, step-by-step method to solve a group problem. Ethics: group communication, ethical behavior, honesty, respect, fairness, confidentiality, accountability. Conflict of interest, when personal interest conflict with group goal. Types of power: power from within, self-empowerment and confidence; power over, control or dominance over other; power with, collaborative and shared influence. Sample: you study group must decide on presentation topic. Two members disagree strongly. One insists on their idea and another threatens to quit. Question: which decision making style should the group use to resolve this conflict? The answer is consensus is ideal. Allow discussion, compromise, and find a mutually satisfying solution. Gatekeeper and facilitator role can be helpful there. Here, which stage of group development is characterized by conflict? Forming, storming, norming, and performing. Which of the following is not a group communication competency? Cohesiveness, shared norm, independence. The answer is independence. Which decision-making method rely on the largest number of votes? Consensus, authority, majority rule, minority rule. The majority rule. Synergy, true or false? Synergy means group performance is weaker than individual performance. False. Virtual group rely on technology to communicate. True. Short answer. Define group think or explain why it's dangerous to group decision making.